Hi guys, it's Dan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a gift from my friend Wanda Sweets. We went to the Scrapbook Expo and I'm sorry this was so overdue. I've been meaning to open this, but I've kept it like on the side and I just been like life, right? And the holidays, and so I am so loving this. Thank you, Wanda. We always have a good time. So, and she is definitely a crafty bestie of mine. So love this little charm that you've added on the side of the bag. This is cute. Little candy wrapper with some cabochons in it. And then let's see what we've got in here. I'm just going to take out all this stuff. She spoiled me. Oh my goodness. She spoiled me. I did peek, but I didn't look all the way, Wanda, because I wanted to film this and I wanted some element of surprise. I'm sorry I didn't spoil you as nearly as much as you spoiled me. I'm a terrible friend. So I've got little fancy jazzed up Anna Griffin post-it notes. My girl is so fancy. Look at this. I love this little chipboard thing too. Oh, this is nice. It's got a little holder with a little, yeah. I'm totally going to use this on my desk. Love this. Thank you so much, Wanda. And then, oh, look at this beautiful butterfly, you guys. So pretty. Love it. Can't say no to a shaker. And then she has this book in here. I think this is a little polka doodle. Polka doodle? Is this a polka doodle collection? I think that's... No, not polka doodle. What is this called? I forgot the name of the collection. Oh, look how cute this is. Her little binding. And it says crafty. Love. I love that you do this like with the sides. It's so pretty. This little cork pen. Really nice. And I'm just going to open this little belly band with this really cute bow. This is nice. And it's a little crafty planner, which is so cute. Oh, Wanda, this is so cute. Like a little mini calendar. Oh, I love this. Crafting. You have a little notebook for crafting. This is a TN. Oh my god, I just totally just thought of the name. The little pin. My happy place. And then your friends. I don't have that many friends though. I'll definitely have to put some fun things in there. And then I love this. I love you are so sweet. And it says fun. I love this so much. How cute is this, Wanda? Love the use of the pom-pom trim on the sides of each notebook. How did you make this? Wow. It's really fancy. Love this. Thank you so much, Wanda, for spoiling me. I forgot the name of this collection or this company. And ooh, oh my god, look at this. So she made me an oven mitt. She has one of those press machines. So this is really nice. Oh, I love this. Girl, you gave me a hot glue gun? Oh my goodness. And this is some fancy looking one. You know what? You can never have enough hot glue. I love the sparkle on this. Thank you, Wanda. What are these? Let me see. Oh, and you got a pair of socks. Oh, little hamburger socks when I'm being a fatty. And let's see. What is this? Oh, these are little lights. You're going to have to tell me what I do with these. Because I'm not... Is it for like a box? I know you gave me a box with these kind of lights, but I'll have to ask you. Thank you for my fancy glove. I actually love red in my kitchen, so this is perfect. I can't wait to bring it downstairs. Oh, look how cute this is. And I'm not sure if you knew this, but I am terribly allergic to cats, but I love kitties. I love them so much, and I wish I wasn't allergic to them. They're so fun, and at least I can wear one on my head. Thank you, Wanda. We've got, ooh, oh my goodness, so perfect for Halloween. This Felties. I'm going to totally use this for like felty pumpkins that I can cut with my big dies. So thank you. Did you just give me a die? Oh my goodness, this girl. What is this? I don't know what company this is, but it's a slimline set. Make something great. It says it's a slimline kit. Oh, but I love the elements on this. Love the little border, the squigglies, and like the scallop on this. And this says thanks and hello. And you got lots of flowers on this. I'm totally going to use this. I love these. So pretty. Thank you so much, Wanda. And then she gave me this. She printed a whole bunch of beautiful papers. Oh my goodness. There are bees. There's flowers in here. So pretty. Oh, I love the bees. Yay. Love, 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 love. Thank you so much, Wanda. And use the good paper. Good paper and all of the pretty bee themed that I can make a project of. I love this die set. And last but not least, my friend hooked it up with some red felt sheets. This is going to be so good with Christmas. And I did buy Frank Garcia's new Christmas collection. I have no idea why I can't remember the name. Probably because I'm full Halloween. But he did include a lot of red in his collection. So I'm excited to do something with this and coordinate and prepare some projects using some Felties because I love texture. And that is it, you guys. My friend Wanda Sweets. I'm sure everyone knows her already, but I'll leave her information down below. She's absolutely one of my sweetest, dearest crafty friends, and I'm so blessed to have her because then I'd go to the craft scrap expo by myself. So anyways, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.